Good morning, everybody. Welcome to episode 363. Yes, we are 2 videos away from our 365 day mark. Anywho, bike ride's done. It's kind of cloudy out and the humidity went up. It was like 59 yesterday morning. It was like 68 this morning, so it went up like 10 degrees. Anyway, Nerdy Badger's coming over today. I've got to work on her HHR. We were going to get her a new car, but then we're like, that car's not worth anything. Why don't we just ride it till it blows up? So that's what we're going to do. So she's been overheating, so I'm going to take a look at that, see if I can get her AC fixed for her, and we'll see how many more years she can get out of the car. It looks like a pile of crap. She doesn't care. So if she doesn't care, I shouldn't care either, right? So I'm just going to let it be. And then another practice day. Last night I got the buggy out and cleaned it up real good, charged everything up, and then started messing with the setup a little bit. So see if it drives any better today. With the little tweaks and tunes I did. I mean, those things are fully adjustable, from ride height to camber to caster to weight, front, back. I mean, it's crazy what you can do to those. So I just did some small little tweaks to see if it changes the way it drives. And then once I get a feel for what each thing does to the driving of it, then I can adjust those things to my driving style, if that makes sense for you. Anywho, that's it. It's time for some coffee, and we'll catch up with you guys in a few. All right, another successful day. Nerdy Badger's HHR, the AC quit working and it was overheating. Ended up that there was a wiring issue with her cooling fan. Rewired it, charged the AC system. She has ice cold air conditioning. She's not overheating. Oil's changed, and she's ready to take this thing down the road again. I keep telling people this car may outlive us all. I mean, she's ran it without oil, she's overheated it. I mean, you name it. This car has been through it, and it just keeps running like a top. Toughest car I've ever seen. Anyway, I got a mess to clean up. Once I'm done cleaning up my mess, I think I got dirt on my face. Look at that, I'm all dirty. Ew! Once I get done with this, I'm gonna go play. Get the car out, get some practice in. So let me get cleaned up. All right, another day. Track's all clear. Get some more practice in. Buggy's ready. It looks really funny with that front wing on. We'll see if it runs any different today. But practice makes perfect, right? Here we go. Alright guys, so you've heard the old expression, don't let the magic smoke out. I let the magic smoke out of my speed controller. So I hit pretty good head on, and I guess one of my soldered connections to the battery was not good, so it broke loose and it went over to the other soldered connection on my battery. And yeah, we had flames and fire and all that fun stuff. I never had that on a nitro truck. Anyway, you live, you learn. I'll go home, I'll fix it, see what we can do, and we'll come back out next weekend. But I got some good practice time in, and every time I'm getting better and better. So just keep learning. Well, super successful weekend, except for RC cars. The truck is still broken, and now the buggy, I let the magic smoke out of the speed controller, so I got to fix that. But the Jeep's going, the Vance car's going, so that stuff's all good, and I got lots of practice time in. I'm getting better, so I will call it a win, call it a great weekend. Tomorrow's Monday. It's back to the grind, because we basically took last week off, so it's just luck. Of course, I'm going to see you in the morning, and I'll show you what I find tonight on the buggy as well. Anyway, let's get to work. All right, that's a wrap. What a weekend. This one's not fixed yet. Still got a part waiting for it. This one's ready to go, ready to race next weekend. I don't know if I'll get to practice any before then. I kind of hope I get to practice. I probably can Saturday for sure, but I don't know, maybe through the week or something. I'll take a long lunch break. Shh, don't tell mama. Anyway, that's it. The end. An awesome weekend. Pretty awesome week off for the most part. I got a lot accomplished, like Jeeps fixed, cars fixed, racing done. Mama put some stools together that we found for Nerdy Badger. We literally went on a walk. They were sitting out in front of the house. We picked them up. She recovered them. So recycling at its best. And now it's just a pouring raining out there. So we're hanging out, watching some suns, calling it a night. See you all tomorrow.